I'm going to show you how to do exercise 9.3.6 state capitals. When I look at the assignment, it tells me, suppose we're making a website that provides information about state capitals of America. Right now the site has all the information you need, but it's all one giant block, making it very difficult to read. Use formatting tags to make the page easier to read. Your finished site should look similar to this, and we can see some information here. Another really helpful page is to come over here where it says run code and check your code, and that will help you kind of step by step tell you what you're missing. So if I looked at state capitals from the assignment page, it looked like it was really big. So I'm going to use an H1 tag, which is angle bracket H1 close angle bracket. When I put my tag in code HS, it automatically wants to close it. So I'm going to have to move my closing tag so that it's behind state capitals. I also noticed that the state itself was a little bit bigger, so I'm going to use an H2, heading level H2 tag. And again, it automatically wants to close it, and I have to move my closing. And it wants me to put bold tags around population. So here's my population. So a bold tag is just simply B enclosed in angle brackets. All right, so I'm going to come to Alaska, and we're going to make Alaska an H2. And I'm going to find where it says population right here, and I'm going to use my bold tag. And Arizona, we'll do our H2 again. And population, we'll do a bold. And I'm going to check code again just to see how I'm doing. I can see that I got green on my 3 bold tags for population. It says we need to have bold around the capital. So I'm going to come under Alabama. I can see capital, so I'm going to put another bold tag. Do the same thing for Alaska. And for Arizona. I'm going to check code. And I forgot to get rid of one of my close bolds right there. Okay, check code again. I got another green. All right, now it says I must have 3 I tags. I is for italicize. And let's go back to assignment to see where they want to italicize. Oh, I can see right here that the cities are italicized. All right, so Montgomery, we're going to use an I tag. It's just angle bracket I. And I'll close it on the other side. So when you close a tag, you do have to do angle bracket slash and then the tag. So I'm closing it on Juneau here. So it's angle bracket slash / I angle bracket. And I need to do Phoenix. And I'm going to check code. Oh, now I got 3 greens, and now it wants 3 HR tags. And if I look back at the assignment, I can see the HR, which stands for horizontal rule, is in between all of the 3 states. So I'll come back over here, and I'm going to put one right in here. And an HR tag is done angle bracket HR, H is for horizontal, R is for rule, and then this time the slash goes on the right side of the tag, but still inside the angle bracket. And that's because HR is a one-sided tag. It's self-closing. It doesn't have an open and a close, just all one tag. All right, I'm going to check code. I can see that I've got 3 greens right here. I can run my code. And I've got an error someplace. Oh, Montgomery right there. I left an extra angle bracket. Okay. And that's pretty close. I could make it look like this with some paragraph tags, and I'll show you how to do that. What do I got? Run code. Okay. Alabama, yeah. If I were to put a paragraph tag on either side, and a paragraph tag is just a P tag, P for paragraph. Check code, I'm still good there. Run code. You can see how now it starts to stack it right there because a paragraph tag will put an automatic enter after each one of those. So hopefully that demonstration helps you just a little bit. But as far as moving on to the next lesson, all I had to do was click the little icon at the bottom. Click these little icons right there, and it lets me go to the next lesson.